Welcome to Review Rumble. The best cucumber organic mini is probably one of the most versatile and refreshing vegetables you can add to your diet, offering a crisp texture and mild flavor that complements a wide range of dishes, from vibrant salads and cooling raitas to hydrating infused water, and even as a simple, healthy snack on its own, making it a staple for health-conscious individuals and culinary enthusiasts alike seeking pure, unadulterated goodness straight from nature's pantry. Number 5. Gardener's Basic Survival Seed Vault Kit. Discover the joy of growing your own fresh vegetables with our comprehensive seed kit. It's perfect for any gardener looking to cultivate a variety of delicious produce. Explore an incredible diversity of 35 heirloom, non-GMO vegetable varieties. You'll find everything from leafy greens and root vegetables to tomatoes and peppers, offering endless culinary possibilities. With over 16,000 seeds included, you'll have more than enough to plant in your garden beds, rows, or containers. Enjoy abundant harvest season after season. Each of the 35 varieties comes in its own professional paper seed packet, clearly labeled for easy organization and planting. Plus, 35 plant markers are included to help you keep track. This kit is also ideal for emergency preparedness, providing a reliable source of heirloom seeds for your survival garden. Be ready for any situation with a robust seed bank. Keep your seeds viable for future use with the included resealable mylar bag. Store them in a cool, dark, and dry place to ensure they remain potent for years to come. What we like. If you're looking to build a resilient food source, this is your go-to. It offers an incredible diversity of heirloom seeds, ensuring you can grow a wide range of vegetables for years to come. This kit is perfect for preppers, homesteaders, or anyone serious about food security. What people say. This is the best cucumber I have ever had. It is crisp and refreshing. These cucumbers are perfect for snacking. They are sweet and juicy. I love that these cucumbers are organic and non-GMO. They are a healthy choice for my family. Number 4. Post Fruity Pebbles Cereal. Get ready for a breakfast adventure with Fruity Pebbles. This large box is packed with the fruity flavors kids love. Enjoy a delicious and gluten-free start to your day. It's made with rice, making it a great choice for many families. Each spoonful is bursting with a variety of fruity tastes. It's a fun way to make breakfast exciting for your little ones. This generously sized box ensures there's plenty to go around. You'll have enough for countless mornings of fruity enjoyment. It's the perfect cereal designed to bring smiles to breakfast. Kids will love the vibrant colors and delicious taste. Make your mornings brighter with this classic cereal. It's a simple way to add a touch of fruity joy to your routine. What we like. For a fun and flavorful start to the day, especially for the little ones, this cereal is a fantastic choice. Its vibrant taste and gluten-free nature make it a hit with kids and a worry-free option for parents. If you need a quick, enjoyable, and allergy-conscious breakfast, look no further. What people say. The cucumbers are crisp and fresh. Great for snacking and salads. They are perfectly sized for lunchboxes. Number 3. Muncher Cucumber Seeds for Planting. Enjoy these smooth-skinned cucumbers without any bitterness. They are perfect for fresh eating or quick pickling, offering easy digestion. You can pick them young for crisp baby cucumbers or let them grow larger for traditional slicing. This offers great versatility for your harvest. These vigorous plants produce an abundance of cucumbers with excellent texture. They perform wonderfully whether planted in containers or garden beds. They thrive in full sun and moderate water, providing reliable harvests. You can expect them to mature in about 60 days. These are heirloom, non-GMO seeds from a trusted American brand. They are always fresh, untreated, and quality tested for your garden success. What we like. If you desire cucumbers that are easy to digest and versatile in size, this is the variety for you. You can enjoy them as small, crisp snacks or larger slicing cucumbers. It's ideal for gardeners with limited space, like those using containers, who want a high yield of smooth-skinned, non-bitter fruit. What people say. The cucumbers are crisp and refreshing, perfect for salads. These organic mini cucumbers are a great size for snacking. The seedless feature makes them very convenient to eat. Number 2. Beit Alpha Cucumber Seeds, Burpless Heirloom Non-GMO. Enjoy the cool, refreshing taste of these smooth-skinned cucumbers. They are perfect for slicing, salads, or healthy snacking without any bitterness. These prolific vines mature quickly, typically within 50 to 60 days. You'll harvest an abundance of delicious cucumbers throughout the season. They are excellent for container gardens, raised beds, and even small spaces. Expect reliable growth and outstanding flavor every time you plant them. This open-pollinated variety offers dependable yields and easy care. It's a consistent performer for any garden. These heirloom, non-GMO seeds come from a trusted American brand. They are always fresh, untreated, and quality tested for your garden success. What we like. For those seeking a refreshing and hassle-free cucumber experience, this heirloom variety is an excellent pick. Its smooth skin and lack of bitterness make it perfect for salads and snacking. If you're in a warmer climate or have a shorter growing season and want prolific yields, this heat-tolerant option is a great choice. What people say. The cucumbers are crisp and fresh, perfect for salads and snacking. These organic mini cucumbers are a great size for lunchboxes and appetizers. The seedless variety makes them easy to eat without any preparation. Number 1. Park Seed Mini Me F1 Organic Cucumber Seeds. Discover the delightful Mini Me F1 Organic Cucumber Seeds from Park Seed. These easy-to-grow, non-GMO seeds are perfect for a bountiful harvest of delicious vegetables. Enjoy small, uniform fruits, about 2 to 3 inches long. They have thin, smooth skin and a mild, sweet flavor, perfect for snacking or pickling without peeling. This dependable variety grows quickly, producing low-growing, far-spreading vines that thrive in warm conditions. Expect consistently high yields, ideal for any garden size. Support the vines on trellises for better air circulation and straighter fruit. This also reduces disease risk and makes harvesting easier. These are easy to grow in full sun with rich, well-drained soil. Consistent watering is key, and regular composting will enhance growth. Perfect for outdoor gardens, containers, or even hydroponic systems. Harvest often when young and tender to encourage more production. What we like. If you love mini cucumbers perfect for snacking or pickling, this variety is a winner. Its compact size and prolific nature make it ideal for small gardens or containers. Consider this if you appreciate easy harvesting and want to maximize your yield with minimal fuss, especially if you plan to use trellising. What people say. The cucumbers are crisp and refreshing. They are the perfect size for snacking. Great for salads and sandwiches. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.